You can save a serious amount of money when shopping for a used midsize pickup, and the Toyota Tacoma is usually one of the first trucks people consider. It has a long-standing reputation for toughness, reliability, and the kind of durability that makes owners hold on to them for decades. For many drivers, a Tacoma feels like a safe bet. But here's the truth most buyers don't hear enough. Not every Toyota Tacoma model year is a winner. Some years came with design flaws, rushed updates, or long-term reliability issues that can turn an otherwise great truck into an expensive headache. Even a legendary nameplate can produce a few lemons. If you're shopping used, these are the Toyota Tacoma years you'll want to approach with extra caution. Number 1. 2019 Toyota Tacoma. According to multiple industry sources, including Kelley Blue Book, the NHTSA, Edmunds, and J.D. Power, the 2019 Toyota Tacoma ranks among the weakest years in the lineup. Across the board, it received underwhelming reviews from both critics and owners. This model year received a mid-cycle refresh, bringing updated technology and improved off-road packages. On paper, it sounded like a solid upgrade. In real-world driving, however, many owners were left disappointed. The biggest complaint centers around the transmission. Drivers frequently describe it as sluggish, clunky, and unpredictable. Reports mention jerking motions, vibrations, delayed shifts, and rough gear changes. Some owners say the truck will suddenly lurch forward or hesitate without warning, while others experience unexpected acceleration or a sudden loss of speed. Fuel system issues also show up in complaints. Fuel pump failures have been reported, which can cause the engine to stall unexpectedly. In some cases, drivers noted that these issues seem to affect braking performance as well, creating an uncomfortable and potentially unsafe driving experience. Number 2. 2016 Toyota Tacoma. The 2016 Toyota Tacoma marked the debut of the third generation, bringing updated engines, revised suspension, and new technology. Unfortunately, first-year redesigns often come with growing pains, and this Tacoma is no exception. Transmission issues return once again, with owners reporting loud knocking noises, vibrations, gear slipping, delayed acceleration, sudden speed loss, and lurching behavior. Some drivers describe a loud howling sound coming from the transmission, especially at speeds around 45 miles per hour. In extreme cases, the truck can feel violently shaky and unstable. Electrical problems are also common for this model year. Owners report heaters failing prematurely, radios freezing or shutting off entirely, warning lights illuminating without reason, and interior electronics malfunctioning. One particularly concerning complaint involved heated seats overheating and burning holes in the upholstery. Others experienced complete lighting failures, leaving the vehicle unsafe to drive at night. Number 3. 2012 Toyota Tacoma. The 2012 Toyota Tacoma brought refreshed styling and modest technology upgrades, but it's also one of the most problematic years mechanically. Engine-related issues dominate owner complaints. Some trucks would randomly enter limp mode, triggering the check engine light and limiting speed to around 25 miles per hour. Sudden bursts of unintended acceleration were also reported, adding to the safety concerns. Additional problems include failing air injectors, faulty engine control modules, weak fuel injectors, random traction control shutdowns, and noticeable engine vibrations. These issues can appear without warning and are often expensive to diagnose and repair. Brake problems make matters worse. Several drivers reported sudden losses of braking power, with some incidents ending in roadside ditches, combined with reports of unintended acceleration. This creates a dangerous mix. Some owners also experienced wheels locking up when releasing the gas pedal, causing the truck to slide unexpectedly. Brake lights and headlights were also known to fail or become overly sensitive. Number 4. 2009 Toyota Tacoma. The '09 Toyota Tacoma stands out for an unfortunate reason. It carries a staggering 13 recalls, despite being introduced in the middle of the second generation. These recalls cover a wide range of issues including leaf spring failures, incorrect tire information, electrical system faults, airbag problems, seatbelt defects, and a sticking accelerator pedal. While Toyota addressed these recalls at no cost to owners, that doesn't erase the everyday problems many drivers still faced. Owners frequently complained about failing radios and malfunctioning passenger seats. Body issues were also widespread, with peeling paint and extensive rust being common complaints. Premature frame rust was especially concerning, along with rust forming around doors and windows. Some owners even reported water leaking into the cabin. Suspension problems, steering issues, metal-on-metal scraping noises, braking troubles, and ongoing electrical glitches round out the long list of headaches associated with this model year. Number 5. 2007 Toyota Tacoma. The '07 Toyota Tacoma has a reputation for being especially costly to own over time. This model year racked up 10 recalls, ranging from minor labeling errors to serious safety issues like stuck accelerator pedals, defective airbags, and leaking fuel tanks. Drivers reported sudden acceleration, vibrations coming from the rear, four-wheel drive engaging randomly, rear differential grinding, and drive shaft carrier bearing failures. Some owners even lost control of the truck while switching between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Rust is another major concern with this year. Frames, metal lines, and brake components are known to corrode prematurely, sometimes leading to oil leaks, transmission leaks, and sudden brake failure. Engine failures, drivetrain problems, suspension issues, clutch failures, steering concerns, and widespread electrical malfunctions affecting lights and radios were also commonly reported. Number 6. 2004 Toyota Tacoma. The '04 Tacoma is becoming increasingly rare, and while it can be a cool find, condition is everything. This model year faced 5 recalls related to spare tire carrier failures, side reflector issues, ball joint defects, and mislabeled seatbelts. Premature rust is the biggest issue here, and it's severe. Even trucks from regions that don't salt roads were affected. Owners reported extensive frame rust, frame rot, peeling paint, and poor quality paint finishes. These problems often led to serious body and structural damage. Engine issues include sudden power loss, engines cutting in and out, and valves that require replacement far earlier than expected. Faulty sensors caused problems with speed control and accelerator response. Additional complaints involve the transmission, cooling system, suspension, electronics, fuel system, steering, lights, windows, tires, windshield, and exhaust. Number 7. 2002 Toyota Tacoma. Last but not least is the 2002 Tacoma. This model year also faced 5 recalls, covering spare tire carrier failures, side reflector defects, ball joint problems, and fuel leaks that increased the risk of fire. Once again, rust is a major issue. Excessive corrosion affects frames and undercarriages, often requiring full replacements. Structural damage to bumpers, doors, hinges, and hoods is common and expensive to fix. Suspension complaints are widespread, including failures of wheel bearings, rear spindles, leaf spring assemblies, shock absorbers, and lower ball joints. Additional issues were reported with seatbelts, airbags, wheels, drivetrain components, steering, engine performance, interior and exterior accessories, and braking systems. On the bright side, there are only 7 Toyota Tacoma model years on this list to be cautious about. With proper research and a thorough inspection, many Tacomas remain excellent used trucks. Before buying, always do your due diligence, review maintenance records, and consider a professional inspection. A little homework now can save you thousands later. Which Toyota Tacoma year do you think deserves to be on this list? Or have you owned one of these problem years yourself? If this video helped you avoid a bad used truck, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest car buying guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.